Do it.
Blackmagic Studio Camera, full of plastic. Not anymore. Get that out of here. Open this door. Welcome to the new experience. It's so easy to pull this thing out. It's so easy to pull this thing out. All your adapters are here. Now the moment you waited for, here is the camera. I'm holding it this way then that so you can see all around it. That's enough of that. Here's the hood for it. How do you put it on? I guess you use these screws.
Oh yeah?
That looks good to me, does it to you? Best camera ever. Emptiest box ever. That's my unboxing, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Blackmagic Studio.